comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I thought I should film another Christmassy look. This is definitely a more of a full glam but yet a muted lip but all attention on the eyes look. I wanted to incorporate red tones into the eye look and a nice neutral nudie lip. I also did a full coverage foundation, highlight, contour, everything. If you're gonna go to an event, you can totally rock this at Christmas if you want to. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so starting right off with the concealer, I'm just placing that on my eyes as a eyeshadow base, and I'm blending that with my beauty sponge. I'm not gonna set my eyes so that the pigment of the eyeshadow is more opaque. Then going in with an angled fluffy brush and a nice neutral shade. I'm going to put that in my crease and blend in circular and windshield wiper motions. Then with a dome fluffy brush and with a rusty red, I'm just placing that also in my crease and blending it out. Then with a flat blending brush, I'm just taking a darker brown shade and focusing that on my outer V as well as in my eye crease, and then just blending everything together with a clean brush. Then going in with that shimmery maroony shade, and I'm just placing that with my fingers on my eyelids, and with a pencil brush I'm just picking up a lavender shade on my brow bone and inner corner. Then using my Essence mattifying primer, I'm just placing it on my face and massaging it into my face. I really love this primer. It's my Holy Grail primer. Then I'm using the Insta Perfect and makeup drops from Essence. I'm using one big drop of the Essence and one small drop of the darkening drops, and I'm just mixing that and placing it on my face. And I'm taking an angled kabuki brush and just blending everything in down my neck. This is also my Holy Grail foundation. I really love the mix and match drops. Then I'm going in with my LA Gold concealer under my eyes and blending that out. This is definitely more of a full glam look, but feel free to skip all the full coverage foundation or concealer. And then I'm also using that mix and match drops into the foundation to create my perfect contour shade. I will link a video on how I do that. And I'm just reverse contouring to make that contour pop. And then I'm just setting everything with the setting powder from Avon. Then I'm taking my bronzing shade and I'm just bronzing and warming up my face. And I'm taking the LA Gold strobe light in 110 watts and I'm just placing that on my cheekbones, nose. And then I'm just taking that transition shade underneath my eyes as well as the second darkest shade. Then I'm taking the Essence lip pencil and I'm just lining my lips. and the Avon Mark liquid lipstick. The lipstick is a little bit light, so I am going to go in with another lip pencil from Essence, just to darken it up and a little bit more of a mauvey tint to it. And that is the final look. Okay, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my new subbies. I really appreciate you a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to see more videos of me. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah! Sleigh ride together with you.